Yuri, a group of escaped inmates looks like they've gotten their hands on some serious firepower.
Last thing we need right now is a massive shootout on a residential street. Is this something you can handle quietly?
Quietly might be pushing it, but I can do it without a massive shootout. There might be a bunch of webs around, though.
I'll take it. Good luck.
Got enough guns? Here's one of those saber outlaws.
Come on! We'll get him! Out of your league! Try and hit me! Pay for that! Never going back to prison! Not cases! Not second death! Keep him on the ground! I ain't scared of you! What is that? It's fun! Get ready! What the? I'll kill you!
Back up! The guys who just got out of the raft, they sure are eager to go back!
Just try that! No one's gonna lock me up again! Look out! Let me show you what I got! What the? Never going back to lockup! Eat this! You got a death wish? I can help with that! Need a clear shot!
Reinforcements! Look, guys, this is not gonna help at your parole hearing!
Marshall, run!
Spider-Man, I'm getting reports of shots fired.
I can confirm that. They're not hitting anyone, though.
Try to keep it that way.
Since I'm the only one they're aiming at, I am totally on board with that.
Feel this!
Is it sad that a bunch of criminals have more loyal friends than me?
Take this!
Where'd you get this crap?
Think you can take me? Never going back to lockup! Yeah. Keep your feet on the back inside!
How you like this? Take cover! Let me show you what I got. Don't let him get you with that stuff! Incoming! Throwing me down! Take this!
Just once, I'd love for the people rushing into the fight to be on my side. Heck, I'd even settle for neutral.
Watch out for that web jump! I'm not going back inside! It's over for you!
Captain, the inmates and all their guns are webbed up and waiting.
Thanks. No way we could have taken them without collateral damage. I hope the locals appreciate you.
Okay. I need to get after Scorpion, but I haven't seen Aunt May face to face since the fire. I think I